Hello students, welcome to the new chapter called LPP. And what is LPP? LPP is basically linear programming problem. In this module, we will study exactly what is an LPP, where exactly it is used, and how it is applicable in real world scenarios. So let's start with such real world example of a company called ABC Chocolate Company. So as the name says, this company is a chocolate company. So it manufactures chocolates. Suppose this company manufactures two kinds of chocolates. One is handmade chocolates and another variety is machine-made chocolates. Now as you can see in the picture, these handmade chocolates are manufactured with hand, whereas machine-made chocolates are manufactured with machine. But handmade chocolates are more costly as they require more manpower. So handmade chocolates are more costly as compared to machine-made chocolates. Now suppose this ABC Chocolate Company wants to increase the production. Why? Suppose there is festive season coming and this company needs to increase its production. Now the manager of the company must decide exactly how much amount of machine-made chocolates and handmade chocolates to produce. Now the manager knows there are two kinds of chocolates, handmade and machine-made. Now handmade chocolates can be produced or can be manufactured only in limited quantity in a given period of time, whereas machine-made chocolates can be manufactured in huge quantities. Why? Because the process of manufacturing machine-made chocolates is mechanical. But the advantage with handmade chocolates is they drive more profit for the company as compared to machine-made chocolates. Now, why can't a company prepare any amount they want? Why can't a company prepare infinite number of chocolates? It is because of the resources with the company. What are resources of the company? Resources of the company are basically time and money. So we know that every company has a limited time and a fixed budget to produce any product. Now similarly, there is one more resource, that is raw material. To produce any product, we require raw material. The next important resource is machines available with the company. By nature, machines have a cost associated with them. And the last but not the least, the most important resource is manpower of the company. And we know that a skilled manpower is obviously limited in nature. So all these resources have a one thing common, that they all are limited in nature. So manager, while taking any business decision, needs to take care that all these resources are used optimally. And what do we mean by optimum use of resources? The optimum use of resources means exactly in appropriate amount. And with all this, what a manager tries to achieve? The manager tries to achieve something called as objective of the organization. Now what is objective of the organization? Objective of the organization deals with two things, that is cutting the cost and second is increasing the profit. So objective of the organization means two things, minimizing cost and next one, maximizing profits. So students, remember always, whenever we have objective of cost, we need to minimize it, and whenever we have objective of profit, we need to maximize it. And keeping all this in mind, we'll see how exactly LPP fits in this situation. So how exactly LPP or linear programming problem is defined? Linear programming problem or an LPP consists of an objective function to be maximized or minimized subject to certain constraints. When it is maximized, obviously when the objective function talks about profit. So remember, profit we need to maximize. When the objective function is profit, we need to maximize. When the objective function is cost, we need to minimize. So basically that is what is called as LPP. So LPP is used to find the best possible solution while allocating limited resources with the company. Which resources we have already seen, that is time, money, persons or manpower, etc., in order to achieve maximum profit or minimum cost. So this completes our module, and in this module we have studied what exactly an LPP is. Remember students, LPP basically consists of an objective function to be maximized or minimized subject to certain constraints. So this completes our module. Thank you.